Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up password recovery option in your Ace Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ace application on your device. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. After logging in, you need to click on three lines which is at the top right corner of your screen, where you can find settings option. Click on the settings option. Now you can see that your account settings has been locked. To unlock it, click on tap to unlock account settings option, where you need to type in your password. After typing in your password, click on confirm and your account settings will be unlocked. Here you can find set up password recovery option. Click on it and choose the recovery question number 1 from here. After that, type in the answer for the question number 1. Now you need to select the question number 2 and select the answer for it. After that, you can click on confirm and email button, or you can click on confirm and share button here. To complete this setup, you need to have a recovery token. After that, click on OK button. So that is how you can set up password recovery. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.